Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to tag location on iPhone photos. If you are using an iPhone and now you want to tag location on your iPhone photos, so let's see how can you do it. For this, first you have to open your Photos app and here select the photo which you want to tag location. As I have selected this one, so now just tap on three dots in the top right corner of the screen. And here just select the last option which is adjust location. Just tap on it. And here you have to enter location which can be city or a country. Just like this as I have entered. And after that just tap on the location. And here you can see I have tagged the location to a photo. And if you want to get the location directly by the camera, so for this you have to enable the setting. Just open your phone settings and settings, to scroll down and look for privacy and security. Here's that, tap on it, and here you have get location services, tap on it. You just have to enable location services, and after that look for camera, and camera you have to select using the app. Just tap on it, and you have to make sure that this setting has been turned on. And now when you will take a photo from your phone, the photo will be automatically tagged with the location. So that's how you can tag location on iPhone photos. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.